7 facts to close a sale. You're getting clients, they're finally messaging you on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. You want to book them in, okay? But you don't know how to talk to them. They ghost you, they disappear. And I'm going to go through with you the 7 steps on how to get a client and book. Confidence. Believe in yourself. Believe in your value and what you're selling to them that will benefit them. So I've got clients that I do Facebook ads, and we're getting clients. There's a lot of leads happening when I do their Facebook ads and their social media, but they screw it up with how they talk to them. I'm going to give you an example. One client had a message and said, I am here for you. Come in whenever you want for a booking, for an appointment. Guess what? That client didn't take her seriously. She ended up making an appointment without a deposit, number 1. Number 2, she got stood up because she didn't value herself. When you say come in anytime for a booking, that means that I'm here for you whenever you want, but you can actually screw me around. My hourly per rate, my salon rent, my supplies, my other clients who want that time, that booking is not a worry. You can come in and step all over me whenever you want. So when you actually have boundaries and when you want them to come in, that's actually confidence into selling what you want and also having confidence within yourself. So you set a time or 3 times or bookings that you want them to come in. So you have to make sure that you're confident. These are the times, these are the dates, okay? And this is what I'm available to. So make sure you have that in your mind, that time is money. I'm not sitting around waiting. And basically, if you don't like my services, then I can't help you. That is very strong because your confidence speaks values. For example, our courses at the moment are this price. Women call me up and be like, well, I want to buy it for this price because that's what I think it should be. Or I want to go and buy it for this price because I've seen it cheaper elsewhere. If you look into our courses, they're extremely detailed. Do you understand how much research money that we've paid our educators for you to learn? Okay, that's the same thing with your treatments. Your treatments, for example, somebody's coming to me and one of her items costs $400 for a serum. And then that means that on top of that, the client is expecting it to be cheaper. And you have to consider your rent, your supplies, your overheads. And if you're going to charge them a price that they want, then it's not going to work out for you in the long term. So believe in yourself when you book in a time and a price for your clients. So you have to understand how much are you per hour and how much you need to charge to keep going for the rest of the time that you want to do this. Believe in yourself and what your value is to yourself. Let's go to the next step.